Hi, I'm Iran, industrial designer and plant lover. I've spent the last 3 years researching and testing materials, plants, and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. Meet the Terraplanter. My mission was not only to design a beautiful piece, but a solution that overcomes the two main reasons plants die: underwatering and overwatering. Terraplanter overcomes these deadly scenarios. In addition, it doesn't need soil. Only water. It's that easy. Water goes inside the vessel, and the plant grows on the outside. The structure of the material is solid, yet porous. Water is slowly diffused through it and is held by the cells, giving the plant time to drink. These cells are also the perfect home for seeds. Simply spread seeds into the cells and watch them come to life. We designed this microtexture to provide extra grip for the plant roots to hold on tight. And since the roots are on the surface, they have constant access to both water and air. You can even reuse the Terraplanter as many times as you like. It's the next generation of the planter, and it opens up a whole new world of growing options. You can rub spores onto the surface, wrap a climbing plant around it, use rubber bands to mount plant roots onto the surface, or cover it with seeds of your choice and just let life happen. The plant and the Terraplanter become one. We need your help to bring the Terraplanter to life. Join us.
If you shoot photo or video, you know that lighting changes everything. That's why we created TEKE, the reactive, animated, and wireless DMX lighting system made for creators. TEKE brings DMX lighting technology used on big budget films, TV, and commercials to the palm of your hand at a fraction of the price. Okay, now imagine a powerful, wireless lighting system that's sleek, durable, weather-resistant, and packed with animated effects, moods, and movie looks. TEKE will take your creativity to the next level.
TEKE is easy to use and the battery lasts the whole shoot.
Browse a library of animated and sound-reactive effects triggered by your phone or DMX software. Instantly apply dynamic mood lighting, perfect for photography. Movie Looks features complementary foreground and background lighting palettes. Pixel Map allows you to develop color palettes and effects using photo and video pixel mapping. Or simply create a custom scene by addressing hue, brightness, and color temperature.
TEKE gives me awesome lighting setups in just a few minutes.
TEKE is bright, with 700 to 1400 lumens of flicker-free, 90+ CRI-rated light. We designed a convenient built-in end-to-end mounting rack for quick and easy setups. TEKE's long-lasting rechargeable battery gives you power on the go for 4+ hours, or simply plug it into TEKE's USB-C port. So right now, for a limited time only, we're offering 50% off only on Kickstarter. Back us today and save thousands of dollars on DMX lighting technology. Buy a creator kit to get a TEKE soft case and full accessories at no extra cost. Plus, we'll send you some awesome swag just in time for Christmas. Back our Kickstarter today and bring the creative power of TEKE to the world. We've spent several years collaborating with the smartest people we know to develop all the technology behind TEKE. TEKE is the product of filmmakers, engineers, and installation artists who've worked on projects for the Ridley Scott Agency, Vice, Star Trek, Samsung, and Unity. Back us on Kickstarter today and help us bring TEKE to the world.
Fresh air is nature's gift of life. But with rapid industrialization and urbanization, we have deprived ourselves of the basic ability to breathe fresh air. Toxic air is now a global problem. Breathing in toxic air could cause side effects such as fogginess, increased stress, and even depression. While various masks on the market try blocking dirty air, they also restrict the flow of clean air, making it harder to breathe, ultimately making matters worse. It was here that we asked ourselves, is it possible to not only block toxic air, but also produce excess clean air in the process? This was how ATMOBLUE was born. ATMOBLUE is an innovative portable air purifier which protects users from air particulates while providing an enhanced breathing experience. ATMOBLUE features built-in high-speed fans and continuously supplies fresh, filtered air to users. With over 150 hours of use per filter, ATMOBLUE delivers 99.9% clean air around the clock. Replacing filters is easy. Simply swap out old filters using ATMOBLUE's magnetic filter caps. In addition to advanced filtration, ATMOBLUE features a patented strap channel design, providing a full range of motion, and comes with interchangeable designer skins to suit your style. We created ATMOBLUE so that you can breathe freely, because breath is the gift of life. Today, we are asking you to join us in our mission to offer clean air for all. Over the past year, we prototyped and tested ATMOBLUE. We received amazing feedback and even won a few awards. With your contribution, we can bring ATMOBLUE to life. As a special offer, all backers who pre-order their ATMOBLUE will receive discounted pricing on all accessories, including filter cartridges and skins. To make things even more exciting, all ATMOBLUE masks come standard with built-in smart features. Once we break our stretch goal, the ATMOBLUE app will be released, allowing for more enhanced mask features, such as automatic airflow adjustment, filter change notifications, local air quality index, and more. We're so excited to bring ATMOBLUE to you and look forward to your support. ATMOBLUE, clean air for all.